Imagine a bunch of cavemen living in a simple village. They're happy, trading rocks and sticks. But one day, something crazy happens. Everyone starts going nuts over shiny pebbles. Prices skyrocket. Everyone wants in. Sounds fun, right? But wait, what if it all comes crashing down? Today, we're explaining financial bubbles with cavemen. Stick around to see how these prehistoric pals teach us about modern money madness. Let's go back in time. Meet our caveman village. Simple life. They hunt, gather, and trade stuff to survive. One caveman, let's call him Gronk, finds a shiny pebble. It's pretty. He trades it for a big fruit. Gronk says, "This pebble sparkles, worth one fruit." Another caveman, Ugg, sees it. He thinks, "Hey, that's cool. I want one too." Ugg trades 2 sticks for a pebble. Soon, everyone talks about pebbles. They say pebbles will make them rich. No more hunting all day, just collect pebbles. This is like a financial bubble starting. A bubble happens when something's price goes up fast, not because it's super useful, but because everyone believes it'll keep going up. In real life, think stocks or houses. People buy because others are buying. Prices bubble up like a balloon filling with air. Back to cavemen. Gronk sells his pebble for 3 fruits now. Wow! Give me 3 fruits. Ugg flips his pebble to Uga for 4 sticks. More cavemen here. They borrow tools to buy pebbles. Village buzzes, pebbles everywhere. This is the background. Bubbles start with excitement over something new, like tulips in Old Holland or .com stocks in the 90s. Simple idea, buy low, sell high, but greed sneaks in. Now things heat up. Pebbles aren't just pretty. Cavemen think they're magic. Pebbles will feed us forever. Gronk buys more pebbles with borrowed fruits. He dreams big. Pebbles make me king. Ugg tells friends, "Get in now. Prices double tomorrow. Hurry." Conflict hits. Some cavemen doubt, like wise old Zorg. He says, "Pebbles are just rocks. Can't eat them. Be careful." But no one listens. Bubble grows. Pebbles cost 10 fruits each. Village stops hunting. All about pebbles. This is like real bubbles. People ignore risks, borrow money, chase hype, think it'll never end. Remember 2008 housing bubble? Houses priced sky high. Everyone bought. Banks lent easy. Back to village. Uga borrows from Gronk to buy more. "I'll pay back later." Rumors spread. Pebbles running out. Prices explode. 20 fruits per pebble. Chaos. Gronk feels rich on paper, but has he really won? So many pebbles. Turning point. Zorg finds a pebble that's fake, just painted rock. Fake. Word spreads fast. Doubt creeps in. One caveman sells cheap, then another. Panic. Ugg tries to sell. No buyers. Prices drop. 10 fruits. 5. 1. Anyone? Please? Climax. Bubble bursts. Pebbles worthless. Village in mess. Debts unpaid. Fruits gone. Gronk loses everything. What happened? Uga owes big. Fights break out. Not fair. This is the crash. Like stock market drops or crypto falls. Hype ends. Reality hits. Many lose big. So, what did we learn from our caveman bubble? Bubbles inflate with hype. Burst with reality. Watch for signs. Fast price jumps. Everyone talking. Ignoring basics. To avoid, research. Don't follow crowds blind. Save smart. Remember, money's like pebbles. Value comes from real use, not just belief. Thanks for watching. If you like this simple explain, hit like and subscribe for more money stories with cavemen. What's your bubble story? Comment below.